2009 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to change out the radio. First thing, I'm going to remove this bottom panel by the shift knob. And remove the silver trims on the side. And I'm going to remove these little ones, all the screws on the side. Pocket comes out. Pull this out. Pull.
No need.
Okay, we don't have to take this bottom out. Just remove these two screws. Small panel comes out. Then this face trim should come out. You have them out. You have 4 screws holding onto the radio. We're going to remove that. Disconnect all the harnesses. Connection is very simple. You just match the colors. Green to green, red to red. Just match the colors. Nothing to really show, even though people say it didn't show. Just match the colors. Sunday's weather.
Klima.
To do that, you'll need to install YouTube Music.